Hello friends, it's Nails by Rey and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Today we are exploring the viral tortoiseshell nail design and some realistic 3D cherries, so stick around. I decided to start off these designs with one of my swatch sticks just for presentation purposes, and right now I'm applying a layer of base coat and curing that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds. So first I'm going in with a transparent jelly yellow color, and I'm only going to do one coat of this because I still want to apply more colors and design on top so that it's not too pigmented. I guess not pigmented, but I don't want it to be too opaque. I still want it to have that like see-through jelly look to it. Now I'm busting out the blooming gel. This is the blooming gel that I always use. It's from Mia's Secret, and I'm applying this to the entire nail because when we do this tortoiseshell design, I want the colors that I use to spread across the nail naturally. You can always just go in without blooming gel and spread the colors with a nail brush, but I just like the blooming gel to do all the work because it looks so beautiful. So the color you're going to need for this design is like a really dark chocolate brown shade. This one has a little bit of a cool undertone. I have a warmer undertone one, but it was a little too red brown. So this one, in my opinion, was perfect. I'm just going to add some to my mixing plate because it makes it easier to grab the colors. And I'm going to take my dotting tool and create like not perfect dots, but kind of squiggle the dots a little bit just so it looks uneven. I don't want it to look like perfect dots because it's going to spread out in an uneven way and it looks more natural, similar to how a tortoiseshell is supposed to look. So now next I need to add a transparent jelly orange shade. So I didn't actually have one, so I took the yellow one and I mixed it with my warmer toned brown gel polish that I decided not to use beforehand because I had this idea in my head. I'm like, I'm missing a jelly orange. I don't have one. So what if I mix this jelly yellow and this warmer toned brown to get orange, but it still has that jelly quality or consistency because of the yellow? And when I tell you, I was so flabbergasted when this actually worked. It was perfect. I took an old polygel brush, which is why I saved them, and I mixed them together, added a little more yellow and brown if I needed to get that burnt jelly orange color. And it was perfect. And then after that, I used the polygel brush to apply it to my nails. And I don't wanna switch you. Let me be your nigga, baby. I'm going back to my blooming gel. We're gonna add another layer here because I'm going to add another color on top, and I want that color to spread similarly to the brown. He be dancing in my pussy like he too sick. He's so ready, you to me, just a groupie. And I need racks if anybody try to book you.
smarter if you give me burgers. Oh, yeah. Thinking about what you gon' do when I get done with this. Thinking about what you would do if I got locked up. I know I ain't like the bitches, I be locked in. You know I'ma hold it down.
So with the black color, the black gel polish, I am going in with my dotting tool and creating these not so even dots near where the brown ones are. I want them to kind of blend into each other. I don't want the brown to fade out. So I end up going in with some more brown later on because I think I might have added too much black, and so it like overpowered the color I had before.
Made it to LA, yeah. Finally in LA, yeah. Looking for the weed, though. Trying to make my own, though. Calling for Maria. Lost without Maria. By diving in Marina. So trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. I don't mind. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. I don't mind. Calling for Maria. Lost without Maria. By diving in Marina.
I'm adding some more of that burnt orange color that I mixed over the design because I feel like it was too yellow in the background, and the darker colors that I added kind of overpowered the orange that I laid underneath. So this was just to even it out more and make it look more orange yellowish without any colors being more overpowering than the others. Now that the design is done, I'm just going to add some top coat gel and cure that for 60 seconds. Alright, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think or if you found this helpful. So now it's time to move on to the next design. So now I'm doing the cherry nail design. I am starting off with building a base layer of this nude gel polish. This is my favorite nude. I think this is one of my top 3 perfect nude gel polishes. I cannot pronounce the brand name, but I will put it up on the screen and let you know. But I'm going to apply 2 layers of this gel polish, and then I will see you after. I'm applying a matte top coat because I want the surface of the nail to be matte before I do the French tip. For some reason that just helps me with like making the lines really straight. I don't know why, but this is just my method. I've talked about how I like to draw my French tip multiple times on my channel, but because I live and breathe nails, I don't mind doing it again. I'm using a white gel polish with a thin brush, and I'm drawing a line at wherever I want the French tip to start essentially, and I'm going vertically to the tip. This just helps me so that I have a meeting point for the lines that I'm going to draw at the end. I prefer a deep French tip always, so I'm going at the very end of the nail and drawing it to the other end, meeting it at that center where I just drew that vertical line. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and connect and fill it in with white.
Every time you break my heart, I feel new. Every time I fall apart, I call you. I just wanna be loved. No being sure. I can't get enough. Is it bad and I want more? Is it too late for us? My blunt for me this morning. Ooh, don't get me started. I just spent my last bit of finances recorded. Sinking, it's an icebox where my heart is. Roll a whole lot more, get so high you can't touch me. You can't touch me. Centipede, my speed, take time with the hate when the motherfucker try to rush me. Oh, this shit musty. Roll up a KD on the rise, I've been no overdrive trying to feel something. That's my little nigga in August and all. I post the film on in the body like now. Caution when you put it on the facade, let it ride for too long, or your soul will be gone. Ooh, Jamie Foxx in the cartoon, bro. We simply lose to the sky from a new angel. Hey, sometimes when I get like this, I burn right through my whole gym. Sometimes when I get like this, I might run a checkup. I deserve it. Bring them cups out. I deserve it. Fully loaded and it got me swerving.
I'm creating the cherries starting off at the stems, and I didn't have the perfect green, so I'm using two different green colors, like a neon, well, I wouldn't say neon, but maybe this is, oh, this is a brat. Yes, a brat green. It's also giving green eggs and ham. So that color mixed with this like darker Christmassy tree color, I'm mixing that together to get the perfect stem color, and then I'm going to draw the stems out.
Sometimes when I get like this, I burn right through my whole gym. Sometimes when I get like this, I might run a checkup. I deserve.
Okay, so I actually lied. Before I draw the stems, I'm going to create the cherry base. Because it's 3D, I'm going to add a 3D gel on top, but I have to create the red part, which is the cherry. So I'm using this really simple red and my dotting tool to create the shape. So I was being a little sneaky and added another set of cherries off camera. I forgot to record. I'm so sorry. I am going to go in with some Rhinestone Glue from Macart. This is a really thick glue gel, so that's why I decided to use this one. And I'm going in with my really short nail art brush to grab it. And I'm swirling it onto where I have the cherry so that it appears 3D.
Can I take a dive in your ocean? Swear I'm drowning, yeah, I'm drowning, yeah, I'm drowning, baby. You fuck me good and I be good till I'm lazy, baby. Never had no pussy like girls, they got me crazy, baby. They got me crazy, baby. Yeah.
I'm in your ocean, they got me floating, got you talking shit. They got me snapping on that ass like I'm owning it. And when I'm gone, you call my phone and say I'm wrong for this. That pussy good, they might catch on to this.
I'm in my zone for this. My ride a song for this. You still drinking innocent, but I need Patron for this.
Yeah, I gotta be strong for this. My damn, she moaning in, yeah. And if you feel it like I'm feeling, just to me, I know this last nigga felt the mission. You like the shower or the kitchen. And I would be a fool if I didn't listen.
Hit it from the back, then I hit it from the side in the morning. Yeah, in the way you calling my name, baby, I can tell that you want it.
Tell that you're my please and you're right. And me that you like. And me is like all the fires on my life.
You scratching my
Essentially, the design is finished, but of course, I have to add some bling. I'm going in with some rhinestones. These are my really small ones. I don't get to use the really tiny ones often, so I saw an opportunity here. I'm using my rhinestone glue again to the areas where I wanted to add it, and I put it at the end of the stems just because I thought it was super cute.
having your oceans. Having your ocean. Can I dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean?
No woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. This is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you again so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I just realized I hit 700 subscribers, so thank you. I hope you guys loved how these nails came out. Be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.
It's my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say